radio listeners, this is SpongeBob SquarePants. When I'm in Bikini Bottom, I listen to Albacore, the tuneful tuna, on WH2O. WH2O. Albacore!
Shenron, come forth!
The tuneful tuna. We're rocking the bottom. You one hits, we got 'em. We're premiering Bikini Bottom's #1 album. It's SpongeBob and the High Seas, the best day ever!
WH2O Radio.
Hang on a minute.
Check in with Dover Soul with the Bikini Bottom weather. Hey,
That doesn't look like Shenron at all!
Okay, Al. Here's the 7-day forecast for Bikini Bottom. It's gonna be wet, 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 followed by a wet weekend.
It looks like him, though.
Kids, fishing season open today, so keep clear of those hooks, lines, and sinkers. Don't get tangled. Later.
That's right, Dover. Remember, kids, play by the book. Don't ride the hook.
Alexa, stop. Now I get it. This is the Digimon-sighted form of Shenron. Dude, he's a Digimon. He's a Digimon. It just looks like him. End of flashback. Now I get it. He's the Digimon-sighted flashback. Ah! Just glitch. Take 2? Dude. He's a Digimon that looks like Shenron. Oh, now I get it. He's the Digimon-sighted form of Shenron. Take 3. He's the Digimon-sighted side of Shenron. Now I get it. Tonight we're gonna draw Azulongmon from Digimon Digital Monsters. As I mentioned before, on the TV show, he looks a lot like Shenron, only except that his body is more blue, like Taranbo. He's related to all the dragons, like Super Shenron, Parunga, regular Shenron, and lots of others as well. Now let's get drawing, shall we? Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Miura Jam on Amazon Music.
This guy is the perfect rival for Black War Greymon. After that, well, he told Black War Greymon there's no point. Eventually they became friends, even though he reasoned with him. Didn't take.
純だらけの常識が壊すそのもの
Shout.
助けを呼ぶ声が聞こえるかい君に宿る熱い想いを吹き放て宇宙は戦う未来果てて君の時代が幕開ける焦るな逃すなそのチャンスを目覚め星に逃げスーパーヒーローはヒーロー
Here is his feats. Go. Here's his tail. Oh yeah. Never mind. Alexa, who is Shenron?
Here's something I found on the web. According to kozaguru.com, Shenron is the all-powerful being found in the Dragon Ball series.
He is complete. That is how you draw Shenron. Sorry, I meant to say Purunga. I meant Azulongmon. That's what I meant to say. That is how you draw Azulongmon. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.